Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best adjustable dumbbells available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Braveheart Adjustable Dumbbell. The weight set can be adjusted up to 44 pounds, of which a single dumbbell is 22 pounds. This fitness dumbbell set is equipped with connecting rods. You can connect dumbbells to barbells through the connecting rods. The barbell weights are the sum of the weights of two dumbbells and connecting rods. The dumbbell-barbell set can be matched. The hexagonal weight plate is very stable and will not roll randomly. At number 6 we have For All Adjustable Dumbbell. This adjustable dumbbell sets with the dumbbell connector can help you alternate quickly and easily between dumbbell and barbell exercises. This is great for strength training and enable you to expand your workout routine for peak performance. Your range of motion will also increase and your weight loss progress can become more and more efficient. It comes with the additional dumbbell connector for selected weights. You can vary your workout routine even more while keeping your space clean and organized. At number 5 we have Keppy Adjustable Dumbbell. You only need the space of one set dumbbell to get the training experience of 5 different weights. It comes with Keppy's exclusive weight adjustment design. You can just turn the handle with one hand to adjust the weight of the dumbbells from 5 pounds to 25 pounds in 1 second. The newly designed weight dial system holds the dumbbell plates firmly on the handle, through 8 locking grooves ensuring the dumbbell set is firm and stable. At number 4 we have Unadjustable Dumbbell. A special lockdown design makes sure the Unadjustable Dumbbell can only adjust the weights on the tray. The adjustable handle can increase friction. This dumbbell always provides a comfortable user experience for you when lifting the dumbbell and start your training. The buckle structure on the weight plates will lock the weight plate, ensure the plates would not fall off. At number 3 we have For All Adjustable Dumbbell. The fast weight changing mechanism allows you to adjust the weight in 1 second with just one hand. The weight plates are covered with frosted powder coating, which offers a smooth lift-off and excellent abrasion resistance. This combined comes with an anti-slip texture. The handle provides a secure grip and durable lifetime. The plates lock onto the handle while in use. At number 2 we have ReDry. This dumbbell set weight plates have 4 different weights of 5.5, 4.43, 0.32.75 pounds, which can provide you with a variety of weight options. By using the connecting rod can easily turn dumbbells into barbells and you can adjust the weight of dumbbell set or barbells as needed to meet your various fitness needs. This adjustable dumbbell is very suitable for full body exercise. You can adjust the weight of the dumbbell according to different exercise needs. At number 1 we have Pulse Adjustable Dumbbell. This Pulse Adjustable Dumbbell supports diverse strength training by changing different weights. It comes with only one set of dumbbell space. You can get 5 sets of dumbbell training experience. Pulse Adjustable Dumbbell is different from other dumbbell. His weight is changed by handle and it is important to put the dumbbell on dumbbell base. When you want to change weight can be changed from 5.5 pounds. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best adjustable dumbbells for your need.